This video is going to demonstrate how to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, measures of central tendency, and the range and standard deviation, measures of variability, in SPSS. We're using the GSS 2006, and we're going to start by looking at two variables. The first one is age, and the second one is SIBS. The first thing you want to do is go to the Analyze menu, go to Descriptive Statistics, and then go to Frequencies. You can see here I have data labels instead of data names, and so I just need to quickly change that. For some reason I cannot get mine to stay as the default. I'll try again. Okay, we're going to go back to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and we're going to go over to Frequencies. Okay, now we have data names. We're going to look for the variable age, and we want the variable SIBS. Now we're going to go to the Statistics button, which is in the top right-hand corner of this dialog box, this blue button right here. Click on that button, and a new dialog box will pop up. And what you want to do is click on all of the things that you want SPSS to give you. So here we want the mean, the median, and the mode. We also want the range and the standard deviation. So we're going to go down here into dispersion and ask for the standard deviation and the range. And then go ahead and click continue. Make sure you paste your syntax so you have a record of what you've done. Your syntax editor will open up, and you can go in here, highlight your syntax, and run this piece. Right there. Okay, and let's take a look at our output. Okay, so we have two variables. The first one is age of respondent, and the second one is number of brothers and sisters, which is SIBS. So you can see that it gives us the mean, the median, the mode, and the standard deviation and range up here in this first box of statistics. And it's also producing a frequency table for us so we can look at the actual distribution ourselves for both of these variables. So you can see that the variable for age ranges from 18 all the way down to 89 or older. So this is not a true interval ratio variable. It's actually an ordinal variable technically, but we'd probably treat it as an interval ratio variable, so we're going to go ahead and move forward with that. Number of brothers and sisters ranges from 0 to 34. Okay, and that one is a true interval ratio variable. So if we were to report the measures of central tendency for these variables, you could see for the age of respondent, the mean age was 47.14 years. The median is 46, so these are really close together. The mean and the median are very similar. The mode is 47, and you can see the range is 71, that's years, and the standard deviation, of course, is 16.894. For the numbers of brothers and sisters, the mean is 3.76. The median is 3, so that's kind of different, especially because that one range is only from 0 to 34. The mode is 2, so it's the most common. The standard deviation is 3.178, and the range is 34. So this is a really nice way to take a look at the measures of central tendency and some measures of variability, but I also encourage you to graph these, look at the frequency tables, and make sure you get a really good feel for how your data looks before you do any analysis.